I'm Eric Schilbe, Executive Sous Chef at the Henry Ford Greenfield Village, and I am in the Eagle Tavern, which is a immersive experience for 1850 Michigan culture. We use 90% local products here. Everything in vegetables we're able to harvest from some of our farms. A lot of people talk about farm to table, but we have the farm right here. But we stick true to what 1850 culture was at the time and how that things were prepared, how things were cooked. It was simple food that was just done well and tastes great. Today I'm taking a dish we use for our holiday happy hour here. Smoked Gouda and Cipollini onion jam mac and cheese. I'm actually going to start with the bechamel, which is butter, flour, and milk. Then once that's melted, I will add flour to it in order to get what's known as a roux together. I do add a little bit of salt and pepper at this point to get it mixed all throughout. Got my milk ready. My milk's already warm in order to keep it from making nice and clumpy, so I wanted this to be really smooth. As it cooks, it'll continue to get thicker and thicker and thicker. The cheese is going to actually add some salt to it. Keep it nice and chunky so that when it melts into the mac and cheese. Previously I roasted Cipollini onions and then mashed them up to make a Cipollini onion jam. I'm going to add that a little bit into it. This is just regular mac and cheese. We do use a local product. I'm going to make sure that it's nice and mixed in. Make sure I get some of that cheese on top. Add a little more onion jam to the top of that. Put the lid on, I'm going to bake it for 20 minutes. And there you have the smoked Gouda mac and cheese with Cipollini onion jam. It's absolutely amazing to see how guests react to what it is that we do. Not just in how they dress, but how they act. They're bringing everything that is Eagle Tavern. We use special chairs, special tables. That are actually, some of them are crafted here at the Henry Ford. Special pottery, special glasses. Everything goes through the Henry Ford in making sure that it is an authentic experience. From the time that you walk in the door, we change the date, but we never change the year.